Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's yet another video, and in case you are new here, karibu sana. And my name is Gloria Lele, and if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription bell down there and you hit that notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you are one of my people to be notified. And in today's video guys, as you can see, we are in the kitchen. I'm going to prepare a special meal. It's kind of pilau, but it's not pilau. We are going to prepare fried rice. The only difference between this rice and pilau is that we are not going to add tomatoes, and it's called mande. That's for the Swahili people. I don't know for the Bara people. So hope you enjoy guys. So let's get into our ingredients of the day. So guys, on to our ingredients of the day. The main ingredient actually is onions. Right now I've used this is 3 medium onions. You can use large or three large onions, or two large onions, depending on the type of onions that you have. This is ginger and garlic. I've already grated, and I've used green bell peppers. This is actually optional. That's why I've used a little, and of course salt. And I've already washed my rice. And also the main ingredient is black pepper and pilau masala, and of course the cooking oil over there. Yeah guys, and I've already boiled my meat. So the thing that you need to do is you have to boil your meat, and the broth that you use to boil your meat, you are going to use to boil your rice, but you should not bring it to cook. Ikue at least ile bado ni ngumu kiasi, but inaendelea kuiva, because we are going to tunaenda kuchanganya na nyama. So guys, let's get into cooking. So guys, this is the broth that I had used to boil my meat. Na since iko na chumvi, I will not sitaongeza chumvi, so I'm going to boil my rice in it. Oops. That's it, and we let it cook hadi ielekee kumaliza hiyo maji. Guys, your rice enough, it should be this way, should be cooked this. I don't know if you can see, but it should not be totally cooked. You see, it is not totally cooked. They can separate, because we are still going to add them with the rice. So hazifai kuiva sana ndio zishikane kama ugali, zinafaa kuachana hivi. Okay, so in this other sufuria, I'm going to be preparing our onions, everything, and we are going to be preparing our mande from this sufuria. And the secret guys to this is you have to put a lot of oil. Mafuta ndio inafanya hii mande inakuwa tamu. So you should be that generous with oil and onions. So we wait for our oil to heat up a little bit, then we add our onions. You can add also carrots if you like. For me, I'm not that a carrot person. So if you kama unapenda carrot sana, unaweza ongeza kiasi. Ile tu na grate, then unaongeza kiasi. So oil, I think it's a little bit heat up. We're going to add our onions. You see how generous I am with onions. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt, because nilikuwa nimeweka chumvi kwa nyama. So I don't know if the rice is the taste. I'm just going to add and we let them cook hadi ikuwe almost golden brown. Then we add our other ingredients. So as our onions are cooking, I'm going to blend the juice that we are going to take our dinner with. So I won't be adding any sugar, it will be just water, and that is it. Just fruits. Forgot to tell you that in our rice we were to add a black pepper to the rice while it was boiling. Anyway, in case you forget like I did, unaweza tu ongeza after ishakwa. You see like mine I've already added, unaongeza tu kidogo of your taste, usiweke sana because it will be bitter. Weka tu kidogo like half a tablespoon, yeah, half or even less. So on to our onions, they are almost brown. Okay, and now I'm going to add our garlic and ginger because they cook really fast. Guys, you can see it cooks really fast. I'm also going to add my capsicum, the green capsicum, the hohos. Then we are going to wait for the hohos to cook a little bit and our garlic and ginger. So guys, at this point naenda kuweka, you are going to add also black pepper but not more. Unaongeza tu kiasi of your taste, of your like. If you like black pepper, you can add more, but for me I don't really spend ile ukali. And if you have kids, I don't advise you to add more. Weka tu ile kiwango. Then after that, I'm going to add my pilau masala. I don't know, sijui napima tu na macho. I'll add this one, like 1.5, maybe 1.5 tablespoon or 2. Yeah, that is enough. Then you stir well for our pilau masala. And now at this particular time, you can hear hiyo harufu ya pilau masala, ginger and garlic the aroma is really good. Sasa ndio majirani wanajua unapika pilau. So guys, at this point, then I'm going to add my meat. I already boiled it. And you are going to stir your meat. your mixture should be something like that. It should look, I don't know if you can see, my light is misbehaving, but it should be something like that. Yeah. Hope you can see, guys. It should be something like this. And now we are going to add our rice on top. I don't know if I'm going to get burnt. Just put my rice on top. This is a lot of rice. I used 2 cups of rice. Umeweka rice yote. And now this is the point that I want you to note. After umeongeza rice yako juu, unaenda kuweka mafuta juu this way. Just a little bit. Unaongeza in each section. I told you the key ya mambe ni mafuta. Kando kando tu kidogo na katikati kiasi. Yeah, that way. Make sure kila mahali imeshika mafuta. And after that, you are going to reduce your heat to the lowest. I don't know if you can see mine. Let me try and show you. You can see my heat, it's at its lowest. So after that, if you have an aluminium foil, you can use, but because I don't have, I'm going to use another sufuria or lid. Unafaa kufunika kabisa, hewa isitoke. So nishafunika yangu hivyo. Make sure we seal kabisa and you let it cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. Isishike chini. Guys, I think they are ready, so I'm going to put off my gas na niweke kwa hot pot tuone venye imetokea. Guys, ukimwaga, when you pour it, it should look like that, something like that. The aroma, guys, is so nice. And now you mix it so well, gently, with a fork. You see what I was talking about now? Guys. And that is it, as simple as that. And it's so yummy. You see, the secret ingredient is the onions. You see? And that is it, guys. You take with your kachumbari or juice. So delicious. As simple as that. Bye. Thank you for watching. Till next time.